Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays on my channel, we do one of a couple things. We either do recipe hacks or short little super easy recipes. And today I'm going to show you something that I use almost every week, almost every single time I make a cake, which is how to soften butter when you need it soft for like a cake recipe, but you forgot to take it out of the fridge the night before and it is rock solid. This happens to me so much, and I'm sure it happens to a ton of you guys too. And it's kind of tricky because you don't want to melt the butter because that won't work for the recipe, but you don't want it to be hard because if you try to whip hard butter with an electric mixer, it doesn't happen like that. So this technique I have used for years. It works perfectly every single time. Oh my gosh, and it'll save you such a headache. So first things first, what you want to do, depending on how much butter you need, this works for any kind of quantity. But what you want to do is cut it into cubes, about like 1/2 inch squared cubes. So just basically smaller pieces than the block of butter that you're starting with. And then you want to pop them onto a microwave safe plate. Kind of just space them out a little bit. You don't need to be exact, but just kind of space them around, spread them evenly onto the plate, and then pop them in the microwave for about 5 or 10 second intervals. Don't do longer because they will melt. Honestly, I'd probably recommend staying closer to 5-second intervals. And after that, just poke them with your finger, see how they're doing. If they're still firm, pop it in for another 5 seconds and check. What's going to happen is that the plate is also going to be heating in the microwave, so the bottom of the butter, or the butter that is touching the plate, is going to heat up faster than the butter that isn't. So after you notice that the bottom is starting to get a little bit softer, rotate each little cube so that the softer side is now facing up and the harder side is facing, it's touching the bottom of the plate. And then microwave it again for maybe like 5 or 10 seconds, probably closer to 5, until the bottom is soft as well, and you are done. It is just as soft as butter that you left out on the counter overnight. It's so easy, just scrape that plate off into your bowl and you are done. So yeah, this works great for any amount of butter that you need. Breaking up into smaller pieces just allows it to melt a little bit quicker and much more evenly. And microwaving at short intervals allows you to soften the butter without melting it by microwaving for 30 seconds, and then you get melted butter, and then it's just not what you're looking for at all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video and I hope this helped you out. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when my next video goes live, because I upload 5 days a week, so there's a ton of videos and recipes and tips and everything coming for you all the time. If you have any requests for other kitchen tips or hacks that you want to know how to do, leave in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to do them. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video.